Okay, let's go. Hello,
Hi,
what are you doing?
I'm fidget spinner.
What is that on your hand?
Fidget spinner.
Okay, and what is it supposed to do?
You could just play with it around a lot.
Okay, and uh, do your friends have it?
Yeah.
How many?
About like 15.
Okay, 15 of them.
Yep.
Okay. Cool.